This quick, want to do a quick video on the bases of these whites. And I noticed observation, I have to measure because I know there's a subtle difference between the full size and 3/4 size, but I'm guessing these are a full size base. I hope I'm guessing correct. I'm not 100% confident with this, but I want to notice, at least between the two whites, there's this size base and this size base. This size base I see is on, as you can see, the 959. It's also on the, which really got me looking at first was, how do I retrofit a treadle wheel or a hand crank wheel on these? And what you have here where these two screws are, is there's actually a little, you'll see, oh, I can see here. You can see there's little slots for the treadle belt to go through. This motor mount's just removed and the belt can go through, and that's different than on the actual white FR. The white FRs are like the domestic 151s. These 151s have that smaller base, like, and it's exactly like it looks like the white FR, the family rotary. I noticed the Bel Air sizes up about the same size too, so I didn't put rates beside each other, but the 201 looks like, I'm guessing like the full size bases are like that. The 37 is that larger size, so I'm going to go ahead and pause and go into the other room and show the domestic and the white. So the domestic 153 also has this wider base. So if it was to retrofit, you know, you'd have to machine out slots to be in spec with that design. The 67 that has that. And this, of course, the white 77's that same way, that larger base. Want to document that real quick. That's all.